Just because we don't talk anymore doesn't mean that I've forgotten about you. It doesn't mean that I no longer care. Because the truth is, I still do. I find myself doing my best to check up on you, to see how you're doing, to see if you're okay. But every time I get the urge to talk to you, it suddenly hits me that we're strangers now, that you don't want me in your life, hence the reason why I'm no longer part of you. Even though everything's changed, I want you to know that I'm still here. I'll still be here for you. I'll still lend you my shoulders and my ears, and I don't care what time it is. I don't care what I'm doing, because half the time I wish that you were talking to me. I just really miss your presence. I miss you being my best friend. I just miss you in general. No matter the circumstances, my feelings for you haven't wavered. If you ever need someone to talk to or lean on, I'm here. Time may have created a distance, but my care for you remains constant. Wishing you all the best.